Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Wellcare account password, recovery guide step by step clearly. To reset your Wellcare account password, start by visiting the official Wellcare website. Locate the login button on the home page and click on it. On the login page, find the Forgot Password link and click on it. You will be directed to a password recovery page. Enter the email address associated with your Wellcare account in the required field. After entering your email, click on the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from Wellcare. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it and click on the provided password reset link. This will take you to a new page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password in the first field. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the second field. Make sure your new password meets Wellcare's security requirements. After confirming your new password, click the Reset Password button. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. Return to the login page and enter your email and new password. Click the Login button to access your Wellcare account. If you encounter any issues during this process, contact Wellcare customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.